Happy Friday, C5ers. I've been challenged to make a smoothie. I've got a bag of frozen berries. My carer's opened up a little hole in it. Tip a little bit into a cup. That to the side. And then we've got the blender set up down low. There you go. Now time for the banana. So I got a bent fork, cutting board, banana, a knife. See how we go. It's not gonna work. Let's do this. Go Bear Grill style. There we go. Time for the milk. So I have a little water bottle. Taking the lid off. My carer's put some milk in it beforehand. Don't spill it. Oh. There you go. That's how you do it. Now I gotta add some honey. Oh God. Get it together, Lindsay. Gotta squeeze it. Oh, come on. Sounds like I'm having a fart. Come on, Quad Chef, you can do this. Use your head. Oh, I think it's out. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so now, let's see how we go with the blender. Hey, can I have the lid, please? So, lid on. Now I'm going to try and pick it up and stick it on the blender. Oh heck. Lucky I've got some helping hands beside me. Oh, it's harder than I thought. I have a little non-slip mat able to use so I don't spill stuff. And I have a power point with the power turned on already. Now let's see how we go. Slid my hand over the little knob. Oh no, I'm not turning on. So, hang on, I'm just gonna make sure that's screwed in properly. This is part of the blooper reel, sorry.